Have you tried making roasted plantains in the oven? Or would you like to learn how to make a native Ugba sauce? I learned this recipe from my parents. It's a family favorite. Rich, tasty, and made with fresh ingredients. Step 1. Cut off the edges and wash the plantains thoroughly. Clean plantains make a big difference. Step 2. Line the plantains on a wire rack. Place in a preheated oven at 425 degrees Fahrenheit to 120 degrees Celsius. Roast until the skin turns dark brown. Step 3. Remove from the oven. Let them cool down for a few minutes, then gently remove the skin. Place them back in the oven to bake again. Bake until golden brown and fully cooked inside. Just look at that color, perfectly roasted plantains. Now let's make the native Ugba sauce. This part adds the flavor and tradition. The video will guide you step by step. And that's how you make roasted plantains with Ugba sauce. Simple, delicious, authentic. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more family recipes from Lydia's Cooking Hacks.